Hello and welcome. You are listening to Positive Affirmations for Negative Self-Talk, spoken by Regina. I've learned that by providing positive, present tense statements that counteract and replace negative thoughts, we can effectively retrain the brain to think more constructively. So, come with me on this journey to disrupt old negative thought patterns, strengthen new positive neural pathways, and cultivate a more self-compassionate mindset and a positive internal dialogue. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and tap that bell so that you don't miss when I upload new videos each week. Listen now to my voice as I state these affirmations twice, then repeat after me. I am enough just as I am. I am enough just as I am. I release the need to be perfect. I release the need to be perfect. I honor my unique journey. I honor my unique journey. I am learning and growing every day. I am learning and growing every day. My worth is not defined by my mistakes. My worth is not defined by my mistakes. I accept myself fully and completely. I accept myself fully and completely. I am worthy of kindness and respect. I am worthy of kindness and respect. I deserve my own compassion. I deserve my own compassion. I am proud of how far I've come. I am proud of how far I've come. I am more than my inner critic. I am more than my inner critic. I choose thoughts that uplift me. I choose thoughts that uplift me. I let go of harsh self-judgment. I let go of harsh self-judgment. I replace self-criticism with self-encouragement. I replace self-criticism with self-encouragement. My inner voice speaks with kindness. My inner voice speaks with kindness. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I am gentle with myself in hard times. I am gentle with myself in hard times. I deserve understanding, not judgment. I deserve understanding, not judgment. I speak to myself the way I'd speak to a friend. I speak to myself the way I'd speak to a friend. I am patient with myself as I change. I am patient with myself as I change. I choose compassion over criticism. I choose compassion over criticism. I believe in my ability to grow. I believe in my ability to grow. I am capable and resilient. I am capable and resilient. I trust myself to make good choices. I trust myself to make good choices. I am proud of my efforts, not just results. I am proud of my efforts, not just results. I celebrate small wins every day. I celebrate small wins every day. I release doubt and embrace confidence. I release doubt and embrace confidence. I am stronger than my negative thoughts. I am stronger than my negative thoughts. I am learning to love my authentic self. I am learning to love my authentic self. My confidence grows as I practice self-kindness. My confidence grows as I practice self-kindness. I honor my progress even when it's slow. I honor my progress even when it's slow. Mistakes are opportunities to learn. Mistakes are opportunities to learn. I am not defined by my failures. I am not defined by my failures. I choose growth over shame. I choose growth over shame. Every setback makes me wiser. Every setback makes me wiser. I forgive myself and move forward. I forgive myself and move forward. I trust the process of becoming my best self. I trust the process of becoming my best self. I am grateful for the lessons in challenges. I am grateful for the lessons in challenges. I allow myself to begin again. I allow myself to begin again. I am more than my past. I am more than my past. I am free from limiting labels. I am free from limiting labels. I deserve peace of mind. I deserve peace of mind. I treat myself with compassion and care. I treat myself with compassion and care. I let go of negative self-talk with love. I let go of negative self-talk with love. I nurture myself with positive words. I nurture myself with positive words. I give myself permission to heal. I give myself permission to heal. My inner dialogue supports my well-being. My inner dialogue supports my well-being. I fill my mind with empowering thoughts. I fill my mind with empowering thoughts. I honor my needs and my feelings. I honor my needs and my feelings. I trust that I am on the right path. I trust that I am on the right path. I choose to be my own biggest supporter. I choose to be my own biggest supporter. I hope that you enjoyed these positive affirmations for negative self-talk, and that you return each week for new affirmations that can help you with all areas of your life. All right then. Please go ahead and like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos each week. Until then, stay well, and remember, once you believe you can, you will. I'm just trying to help you get there.